Alright, what's going on, you guys? Andrew back with another video, and today I've got a quick little unboxing from, let's see if you guys can... And today I've got a quick little unboxing from John Geiger. So if you guys can see the tape there, you know it's a John Geiger package when the John Geiger label is appearing on the tape. I'm going to start opening this box, and you guys, if you don't already know who John Geiger is, you're going to have to get educated some other way. I'm not going to sit here and tell you who he is, waste your time. All you want to know is what's in the box. Alright, so getting right into the package here, we've got black box. Now, this is actually the second pair of John Geigers that I have purchased in the past. There we go. Let's get that out of the way for a second. Confirmation. There we go. So about a month ago, John Geiger came out with another limited drop. It was the Stealth Vault colorway, and it was the Stealth Vault colorway of his 002 shoe. And for those of you who don't know, he does super limited drops. He's done them pretty consistently throughout the year with a magnitude of different colorways. With a wide variety of different colorways, he's come out with different drops throughout the year. This is the latest. This is one of the latest. This is the Away Game OG in black, black, and lime. That's the color scheme right there. Same with the last 002 sneaker. It came in this black flip open John Geiger box. Label right there on the side. I got a size 9. Last time I got a size 8. He doesn't do half sizes. For those of you who don't know, each shoe size needs a specific last, especially if you're making your own shoes. So to have full size runs, especially for a brand that's maybe not as big as Nike, obviously, John Geiger being his own in-house brand, he's not as big as Nike, so it makes a little bit more sense why he wouldn't have half sizes. Each last itself costs like about this. It's insane the price of some of these lasts. I've heard of some going for like 25 grand, some going for 50. So it makes a lot of sense to have it makes a lot of sense to have a size run that doesn't include any half sizes. I thought maybe I'll go down half a size. I'm usually a size 8.5 to a 9. I'll go down half a size in the last pair. I actually never made a video about that because I ended up returning them back to him. I felt better about that than just reselling them. They were way too small for me, so I'm hoping a size 9 is a much better fit. Now let's get right into the opening of the box. Oh, there we go. Pops right open. And just like the last one, it did have a pair. Just like the last one, it came in this black gift wrap-like paper, and each shoe is individually wrapped in plastic. I'm going to set this down for a second and just show you guys what we're working with here. Like I said, each shoe is individually wrapped in plastic, and bang, there you go. So, like I said, this is the 002 in the black, black, and lime colorway. You've got, actually this is the outside of the shoe. You've got these white laces that wrap around the ankle of the shoe. You got some black leather along the toe cap there, lime stitching going up around the top of the collar and down the middle of the toe, and that lime drawstring at the end. Super, super fire colorway in my opinion. Just seeing these in person for the first time is phenomenal, and I'm just really happy to have these in the collection. Let me grab the other one real quick so you guys can take a look. One of my favorite parts about each of these is that this release and the last one both had the same John Geiger hang tag. On the back it has wearing instructions, so you guys can see how to put the shoe on. So from what I remember the last time and what the instructions say, you just loosen up the drawstring, pull this to the side, slip your foot in, and you're good to go. Now, anyone who owns a pair of John Geigers knows that these are pretty comfortable, surprisingly comfortable. But one thing that I gotta point out, because this is a review channel, one thing I gotta point out is the fact that these retail at $350. So you might be thinking, what makes it worth it? For me at least, the John Geiger name alone holds enough weight for me to say, that's worth it, I'm gonna buy them. It also holds enough weight apparently for me to just return them back to him instead of reselling them. So to have a pair of 002s in the collection, in hopefully my size, I still have yet to try them on, but to have a pair of 002s in the collection, so at that price point, you got to think, well, what about the materials, the construction, comfort? I mean, what makes this worth it? For me, having such a unique sneaker model in the collection, something that not everybody else is going to have, something to really turn some heads, that's something I really enjoy. It is a bit high fashion for my usual standards. I usually like to wear something classic, something comfortable, something I can wear almost every day. These are not an everyday sneaker, I'm not going to lie to you. That being said, it does push the boundaries a little bit, and if I come across the opportunity to wear a shoe like this, something that almost looks like a boot, I feel like I could pull it off. I did mention the leather on the toe cap, but you got this, I want to say it's neoprene on the upper, almost like a sock-like fit. I don't want to make comparisons to Balenciaga's sock sneaker, but it does kind of remind me of that, just in the regards that it comes up to a snug fit along the ankle. On the back heel, you've got that John Geiger branding. And again, these white laces, they wrap around the entire shoe, so you can get creative with how they are. There's 3 loops in the back, 2 in the front, 2 loops on the top, and then of course that lime drawstring at the very, very top of the ankle. So I'm curious to see what I can do with these laces as far as like creativity-wise. Now I am going to hold on to these and hold off on undead stocking them for real, which to me means wearing them outside of the house. I'm going to wait to undead stock them until the right opportunity presents itself. And these are definitely, and even though it is December, these are definitely a contender for a top 10 pickups of the year. These are definitely, even though it is December, these are a contender to be placed in the top 10 sneaker pickups of this year. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the John Geiger 002s. I don't know if he actually calls them that, but 007, 002, I'm a big fan of that. I'm a big fan of calling them the 002s. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and of course subscribe for more content. Until next time, guys, this is Andrew signing off. Peace. Until next time, guys, this is Andrew signing off. Peace.